Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna have a MONOLOPHOSAURUS video. We have the Rebirth right here, and we have the Chaos Theory, a totally different sculpt from Mattel. And this is also from Chaos Theory that came with the Baryonyx, I believe, the Leucistic Baryonyx. And here's the classic Dino Escape. All of them have their own features. This one has a tail feature and a mouth feature. You move that. There's the DNA scan. And this one I don't think has a feature. There is the DNA scan as well. Yeah, no buttons, it's manual. Meanwhile, this one has a pretty cool feature. You just push it on its hips, it starts jumping down. There we go. Has also sharp teeth right here, which is good. And the last one, the Rebirth. There's the DNA scan. Also, it has pretty much the same as the Dino Escape. Totally the same. Repaint. It's the tail and mouth. So, let's check out the newest MONOLOPHOSAURUS from Jurassic World Survival. A totally repainted one. Frenzy Pack. I don't think it has a feature. There's no buttons. Oh yeah. It is a Frenzy Pack or Danger Pack, so obviously there's no feature, so let's open it up. Can't wait for the second wave to come now. I heard there's gonna be a Postosuchus coming. And a Dunklistius. Or will that be a Strike Attack? So, there's the DNA scan. Oops. For your survival collection. Now let's check it out. I would say it is the same as the Chaos Theory. Yeah, totally the same. Look at the crest as well. When you go to this one, the crest is different with the Dino Escape. This one has a sharp curve in it. And obviously, the Chaos Theory is totally different. Already has feathers or fur in the back, and the head, and a goatee as well. It's totally different. Now we go to the Rebirth version. Also different crest. It has a different crest. This one has a round crest, and this one has a sharp one, curve. Alright, well, nothing much going on here. Yeah, pretty much nothing. It's just a repaint, nothing special about it. At least they changed the color. Unlike that Proceratosaurus from Rebirth, it's totally the same. They didn't even give it any changes on the tail or the color or painted the claws. Nothing like that. But yeah, there you go. It moves. The head has has an articulated neck. Goes left and right and up and down. Well, another one for our MONOLOPHOSAURUS collection. We have plenty now. That's cool. Hopefully they'll make a new MONOLOPHOSAURUS like this. Another variant of this one. They gotta stop doing this variant though. This kind of MONOLOPHOSAURUS. Yeah, Mattel needs to stop this. It's way too much already. This one's pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you again in the next video. Hopefully it will be the Mosaurus from Hammond collection. Hopefully, even the Dryosaurus. I still can't find them, still hunting them. Alrighty guys, we'll see you again. You guys have a good one now. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.